Assalamualaikum, it's me Kiran Mohammed Salim Eman. My roll number is 2K17 bot 130. Today my topic is phytochrome and its mechanism of action. Phytochrome, a plant pigment that is associated with the absorption of light in the photoperiodic response and that may regulate various types of growth and development. Introduction of phytochrome. A phytochrome is a photoreceptor, a pigment that plants, some bacteria and fungi use to detect light. Photochrome is a pigment found in some plants cells that has been proven to control plant development. It has sensitive to light in the red and far red region of the visible spectrum. In other words, a blue-green pigment found in many plants in which it regulates various developmental processes. History and discovery. The phytochrome pigment was discovered by Sterling Hendricks and Harry Borthwick at the USDA-ARS Batesville Agricultural Research Center in Maryland during a period from the late 1940s to the early 1960s. The red light responses were reversible by far red light, indicating the presence of a phytoreversible pigment. The phytochrome pigment was identified using a spectrophotometer in 1959 by biophysicist Warren Bulter and biochemist Harold Seligman. Bulter was also responsible for the name phytochrome. Photochrome is a blue protein pigment responsible for the perception of light in photophysiological process. It is possible the only photoreceptor in photoperiodism and the following process. The discovery of phytochrome is closely associated with study on flowering. However, many other light-controlled plant responses other than photosynthesis, collectively called photomorpholosis, are the effect of phytochrome action. Distribution of phytochrome. Presence of phytochrome has been known as angiosperm, gymnosperm, liverwort, mosses, fern, and some algae. Distribution of phytochrome in grass, shoots in variable but osprey and barley seedling all have high concentration in apical region of the syllable near the shoots apex in the growing leaf bases. Phytochrome is present in most organs of all plants investigating including roots. In green lowers plant, phytochrome is permanently localized in conformation in or near the plasma membrane. Characteristic of phytochrome. The action spectrum of the light needed for the responses shows a peak in the red at about 660 nm. These responses can be reserved by NB application of for red light soon after the red treatment. Sensitive spectrometer can measure a decrease in absorbance at 730 nm, and sensitive plant tissue are exposed to red light. The change in absorbance is caused by the conservation of photoreceptor from one structural form to another. Red absorbing from changes to the far red absorbing from when it absorbs red light and back again when it absorbs far red light. Phytochrome has two different chemical structures that are interconvertible to form are named by the color of light that they absorb maximally. Number 1, the PER form. Number 2, the PFR form. Forms of phytochrome. Number 1, the PR forms absorb at a peak of 660 nm is the form synthesized in dark growth seedling. When PR absorbs red light, it is converted to the PFR form. Number 2. The PFR form absorbed at the peak of 730 nm. The PFR is an active form that initiates biological response. When PFR is absorbed for red light, it converted to TH per PR form. Degradation of PFR is known to occur by a highly process in which PFR is first attached to small protein called ubiquitin. Attachment of ubiquitin to PFR or to other protein targets them for degradation and carry out degradation. ATP and 3 enzymes are required. Number 1. Protease recognize the protein. Number 2. Hydrolyze target the protein. Number 3. Release free ubiquitin. Hartmann, the German physiologist, has proposed a scheme of phytochrome action. According to Borthwick and Hendricks, PR and PFR follow several alternative reaction paths seen only that could explain the apparently contradictory observation made by time to time. Number 3. S. Smith 1970 assumes the phytochrome to be present in the membrane. Number 4. Jaffe's hypothesis is also entirely speculative. He assumes that phytochrome perhaps causes changes in permeability of the membrane and acts through acetylcholine. Number 5. Evans 1975 says that PFR or PFRX control the flow of reactive substances into several linked and compacting synthesis pathways. Mechanism of phytochrome action. Phytochrome is believed to act in following ways. Number 1. According to Gelston and co-workers, hydroxylation of flavonoid compound is affected by phytochrome. Mohr, however, suggests that radiation influences some basis metabolic change in the cell responsible for many different effects and influences on flavonoid hydroxylation pattern presumably represent only one such changes. Number 2. Worker of KV Thyman and co-workers suggest that phytochrome action involved the synthesis of nucleic acid and enzyme which may be responsible for the physiological changes. Mohr and others have found evidence to suggest that phytochrome effects are mediated by activation of genes that code for a specific messenger RNA molecule which in their turn code for specific enzyme. Number 3. There are certain responses due to red or far red light which are too fast to be explained by the gene activation or repression hypothesis. Thank you for watching and listening my presentation.